If you are asking yourself why you should buy this product, then I'm gonna list down the top 5 features that's gonna help you make the choice. Hi, I'm Sumita Majumdar and come, let's begin. The first is its clip-on mic. So that means you can attach it to any kind of attire, like this one right here. The second is its high quality condenser. So that means you get a great sound quality. The third is its audio cable length, which is 20 feet. So that means you can carry it around really easily. The fourth is its compatibility. You can use it with your smartphones, your DSLR cameras and many other devices. The fifth is that it comes on a budget. So that means even if you're a beginner, you can get started with a very limited budget. That's all for this product. I'll see you again. Happy shopping. Bye-bye.